Make sure your phone and EP1200 are in the same network. Open NEXhome and click Add Device. Click Automatic Search and click your device's MAC address. You can refer to the back of EP1200 to find its MAC address. Select or create the room where this EP1200 is located. Return to the home page. You can find this device in your My Devices. Remove its lid. If the red light has blinked slowly once a second, click the button once. The red light will start blinking fast, which means it can be found in your app. If the red light is off, long press its button for 3 to 10 seconds, and the red light will start blinking. And then click the button one more time. The red light will start blinking fast. Open NEXhome app, click Add Device, Next and click Automatic Search again. Wait until Infrared Transponder is shown in the Discovering Device list. Click Infrared Transponder and save. Select its located room. Click Keep Adding. Click Next, Home Appliances. Find the air purifier. Fill in its name and select its type. Click Complete to save the type. Choose Matching Type Remote Control. Find the brand of your appliances. Click the button in your remote control, then confirm if the device responds. If you cannot find your brand or if the matching is not smooth, choose Learning Type Remote Control. Click Start to learn and click the button you would like the transponder to learn. Point your remote control at the infrared transponder and press the button of the remote control for 3 to 4 times. When the learning is successful, the infrared transponder will beep. Click Learning Success next to the test page where you can test the learning result. After testing, click Save to save the result and return to the learning page. Click Add button and learn the other buttons in the remote control. When all the buttons are learned, click Done to exit this page. Name your remote control. Now you can use your phone to remote control the home appliances.